back here again. Mouth's gone down a little bit now from the other day. Oh, did hurt and all, so I just had to give up. So every dig I'd done is thumping. So back on the job now. Go down to the first hole. Let's go and take a look. It's a little, I don't know what that is, but it's quite heavy. It's not a musket ball. Might be the end of a little pole, or it's got the hole there. But yeah, that's the first find. Crack on with the next one, eh? Alright guys, on the next hole. Let's go down and take a look, see what it is, eh? Where are you? Oh, hello. Oh, where is it? Oh, there's an old 20p. There we go. Bit more than a bit of money. Whoop whoop. Crack on with the next one. Right guys, I'm at my next hole. Let's go down and take a look. Here it is. Oh, dropped it. Oh fuck it. Can't want it to come off. There's a bit of it anyway. It looks like an old, well, was an old cuff link. I don't know what it says on it. Let's have a rub. It's nice. Little cuff link. Yeah. Nice. Click on the next one. Right guys, got another hole. Let's go down and take a look, eh? I pulled it out of the plug already, because it obviously come out with a loose dirt. It's around here somewhere. We gone. There it is. And this looking like a silver, it could be a silver. No. Oh no, it's a bone. Oh. It's disappointing, especially when you see that side of it. There. It's well nice. Well nice button there. I thought it was a coin. That's nice. Silver gilded. Could be the 1800s. More than likely the 1800s. But yeah. That's well nice. On with the next one, Ace. Right guys, on the next hole. Let's take a look. It's in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Now look, see what that is. What's that? All crusted. Could be a farthing. You didn't get much off it, I don't think. No, it's totally toasted, that one. It's where the date's meant to be, but I can't see nothing on that. Not what I can see anyway. There's the other side. I can see a P in there. PE, yeah, it's probably a little penny. Or a rolled one. Okay, crack on with the next one. Right guys, next hole. Not too sure what this is. So let's have a look. On the first glance it looked like a ring, but it's obviously not a ring. Looks like some sort of I don't know, brooch pin or Let me clean it up and we'll have a look. That's what it is. It's got some sort of brooch pin. It's got the pin going through the middle. Right, I'll clean it up and we'll take a look, I know what that is. It's obviously a drawer pin, isn't it? That obviously went into the drawer or cabinet or whatever. Exactly what it is. Yeah. Oh well, crack on with the next one. Yeah guys, we're at my next hole. Let's take a look. That's the first coin of the day, I think. Whoop whoop. Bloody time. Nice coin. Oh, is it going to be a button? Ah, no, it's a button. See? Ah, damn it. Oh well. Buttons are still nice. Got nothing on it. It's one of them flat disc ones. Probably had something on it once upon a time. There you go. Shank on the back. Oh well. On with the next one. Yeah guys. Next hole. Yeah. First coin. Well, that you can tell it's a coin. So let's have a look. What there? Oh, look at the patina on that one. Wow. It's nice. Don't scrub it too hard. You've got to keep the patina on it. And it is a... Oh, that's a surprise. It's an Edward. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Edward. Third, I think it is. Oh, no. Too short. Can't see it. Halfpenny. 1903. Is it 03? No, 02, sorry. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, lovely coin. Let's crack on with the next one. Alright guys, on another roll. Let's go down and take a look. I ain't dug it out yet, let's go down and have a look. It's in there somewhere. Oh, what's that? Oh, bloody hell. Nice. Oh, is it still tick-tocking? Oh well, that's nice. A little clean up. Well, it is a nice watch and all. Look at that. Not exactly. Okay. Got to be waterproof, so it's got to still work. Okay, diver. Oh, that's nice. Yes. Get in. Nice. It's the first watch I've ever found. Quite heavy and all. Jesus. I was gutted when they lost that. Yeah, nice. On with the next one. Yeah guys, on another roll. Found that watch just there. Come over to this one. It's a nice buckle. Judging by the outline, it's looking a bit medievalish. Oh. Well, the middle didn't last long, did it? But you got the buckle and you got the little, yeah, it's medieval. Got the little buckles and you got the little design around the outsides and square and rounded off in the corners. It's instinct and it's a medieval buckle. Nice. I think in the last few videos that I ever done was in this place anyway. I found a medieval buckle that was well nice, and that's actually gone to the museum. So nice. Crack on with the next one. Alright guys, I'm on my next hole. Literally, that was the watch hole. That was the buckle. Come over to this one. And I can just about see it at the corner of the plug. I think it's could more or less be the first silver. Hang on, find my hand. There it is. See it? Just peeking out there. Let's go down and take a look. Probably a button now, me. Oh. Oh, it's the first silver. Nice. Let's get it back in focus. That's it. Yeah. Let's clean her up a bit. It's a Victoria. Yeah. Victoria. Oh. Put you up the other way, Mum. Yeah, Victoria. It's a sixpence. Can't see much on that, can you? The outside. Yeah, it's definitely a sixpence. 1873. Nice. Lovely. Great job. I'll see you on the next one. Right guys, down in another hole. Let's take a look. It's in this clump somewhere. Where's it gone? Yeah. If you can just see it. It's gonna be one of them dirty coins in it that you ain't gonna be able to see nothing. Let's give it a rub. Whoop. Been battered, that one. I ain't gonna get nothing off of that. See how battered it is. Oh well, on with the next one. Yeah guys, that's it for me today. It started raining, so I thought, yep, best get myself in the car I think. So, found some nice things today. Found that silver coin. Silver gilded button, that's nice. The watch was nice. I've got to look up that on the internet to see what it actually was. Do you know what I mean? Because it is quite a dear make, I think. So I'll have a look on that one. But yeah, easy going, really. So, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you next time.